This is a 2017 reg Porsche Macan Turbo. It's a one owner car and it's covered just 2,500 miles. Absolutely as new. What a lovely little thing to drive. Very friendly, very powerful, kicking out 400 brake horsepower. And if you need to get the shopping done quickly, then I suggest you take this car with you. Just going to take you around the car and show you what it's got. So it's jet black metallic. We've got the 21-inch turbo 3 wheels on there with the red calipers. We've got the black roof rails, black surrounds on the windows. Like I say, in really fabulous order, as you'd expect for a car of that mileage and with only one owner. Inside we've got the 18-way comfort sport seats. Got the sort of brushed graphite through the dash. Sports Chrono and PCM with all the nav, etc. Hot seats, all your sports settings, the lane assist, start stop. There's that mileage, 2,412. Just very clean and tidy. Still smells new. If you like your music, got the Bose sound, all the folding mirrors and the memory seats. Last but not least, we have a sliding pan roof. So all the right bits on this car. Looks really well in black. Got the darkened tail lights around the back as well. The electric boot. Plenty of storage in there, and the rear seats will fold, so great utility vehicle. If you don't want to compromise your power and speed, but you need something for the family or just want that 4x4 in your life, this is the one. Great value. Still got new car guarantee till 2020. It's low miles, it's one owner. It's here, it's available. So is finance, PCP or a HP. And your part exchange is welcome. 01455 446 505 on the phone. If you're on social media, you'll find us at Approved Used. There is still a little bit of a wait on these cars, so if you're thinking of ordering one, you're gonna have to wait, but there is one here. It's as new, it's physical, it can be bought today.